Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, we are going to draw the free body diagram of the given beam in the question. So, drawing the free body diagram of the beam that is given in the question. After that, we will write all the forces that are acting on this, and then after we will write some equation and solve this problem. So here it is FB, here it is NB, and here it is W. On going further, this distance is 1.5 meter and this is also 1.5 meter. This is AY, this is AX, and now going further we will take moment about point A. So taking moment about point A, we will solve further. NB into 3 minus W into 1.5 is equal to 0. So NB into 3 minus MG into 1.5 is equal to 0. On going further, we will write NB is equal to 200 into 9.81 into 1.5 by 3. So NB is equal to 981 Newton. Now going further, drawing free body diagram of part BC. So drawing the free body diagram of the part BC that is given in the question and showing all the forces acting on this part BC. So after that we will write some equations. First we will write all the forces acting on it. Here this point is FC and this is NC and this is FB and this is NB. Now going further, we will write this distance as 1 meter and this is 0.75 meter, and we can also write here as 5, 3 and 4 as this is a triangle. Now going further, we will calculate the other value as well. So going further, writing summation of Fy is equal to 0 or Nc plus P under bracket 3 by 5 minus Nb is minus W is equal to 0. So Nc plus P 3 by 5 minus Nb minus Mg is equal to 0. On going further, we will write Nc plus P 3 by 5 minus 981 minus 20 into 9.81 is equal to 0. So Nc plus 0.6 P is equal to 1177.2. Now going further, we can write Nc is equal to 1177.2 minus 0.6 P. Now going further, we will write moment about point C. So taking moment about point C, summation of MC is equal to 0 or FB into 1.75 minus P under bracket 4 by 5 into 0.45 is equal to 0. That will be our equation 2. On going further, we can write FB is equal to 0.342 P. Now summation of MB is equal to 0. On solving, we can write P into 4 by 5 minus FC into 1.75 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. So P is equal to 2.1875 FC. Frictional force at C is equal to FC is equal to mu C NC. Now going further, we will write Fc is equal to zero point 0.2 Nc. That will be our equation 4. Now going further, so substituting equation 4 in equation 3, we can write P is equal to 2.1875 into Fc is equal to 2.1875 into zero point 0.2 Nc. On solving, we can write it as 0.4375 Nc. So P is equal to 0.4375 into 1177.2 minus 0.6p. So further we can write it as P is equal to 515.025 minus 0.2625p. So P is coming as 407.94 Newton. Maximum frictional force at point B can be calculated as Fb max is equal to mu b into nb. So on putting the value of mu b and nb, we get Fb max as 392.4 Newton. As the value of Fb is less than Fb max, so we can say that at point B, slipping will not occurs at B. So minimum force needed to move post is equal to 407.94 Newton.